Hi Chad, welcome to another stream. How are y'all doing today? It is Friday the 20th of January of 2023, and we're back for another stream. It's a bit of a bonus stream today. Unplanned, unannounced. If you're here, you're the real fans. But yeah, I realized that I have to do a bunch of setup for tomorrow's sponsored stream, so I figured I would just click the go live button and do it with all of you instead of doing it by myself, because that sounds more fun. And we're gonna have a beer too. This is Maple Mackinac Maple Mackinac Fudge. It's spelled like Mackinac because spelling. That's how it works. And yeah, where's my bottle opener? That's what we're drinking. But yeah, other than that, we're just gonna be trying to set up enough stuff to at least not be floundering at the beginning of the sponsor stream tomorrow. I am a little intimidated because they told me that everything is new. So I'll be trying out brand new software. So I kind of want to go in blind because I think it's more fun that way. But I'm also gonna make sure I have an account set up before I do that. So. Yeah. Is this actually good or is this terrible? Okay, it says maple, but it doesn't taste like maple at all. It kind of just tastes like all their other beers. It does say maple though, but it's 11% chat, so I gotta do it slowly. But let me say hi to everyone who's here. JJMC was first today. Marsh is also here. How you doing? Raul C. Hello. Stonkfish. Graham Zypan says it's Fordia. Fordia? It's Fordia. Yeah, indeed. YouTube Una Vez. It's interesting because your name is in Spanish, but I have no idea what you said. But if you could talk in English, please, I would appreciate it. Marsha says squints ears. What? The Endless Sliver, hello. How you doing? Walker Codes, hello. Lofkey, good to see you again. How's it going? Walker Code says you objectively buy the most fun beer. It's true. Usually I have some sort of funny stout. Oh no, why do I have a cough? Oh no, I hope I'm not getting sick. That would suck. I don't know how I would get sick. I haven't left my house. Other than to go for a run. But I've been running again. I've been running a lot, actually. Well, a decent amount. I'm slowly getting back into running shape. But I have run every day this week. We're not gonna talk about that part of last week. J-Fails! Holy shit. Thank you for the 28 months of subdom. It's good to see you again. Hopefully you're doing well. And for those of you that don't know, J-Phils also streams. The classic runner's cough, is that a thing? I don't think that's a thing. I don't know. Hopefully it's not a thing. Anyway, other than that, I haven't really left my house, so I don't see how else I would get sick. But yeah, I'm running again. Running is fucking broken. I don't know why I stopped. Well, I know why I stopped because I hurt myself. Running is great because it means I can eat whatever the fuck I want. I still lose weight, and I feel way less depressed. Oh shit, I fucked up my spreadsheet. So yeah, running is just cracked. I don't understand why it's so good. I wish it didn't ruin my knees. Otherwise, it would be the perfect thing. But yeah. Congress says it's a thing I made up as an excuse to never run. Oh no. New server says, got my master's thesis proposal rejected. Oh no. That sucks. JPhil says, doing well. I'm actually getting my mileage up again too. And cycling. Goal of running / cycling combined miles is 168 a month. Nice. Actually that same spreadsheet is like kind of my running biking spreadsheet. So it fits. 2022 is missing mostly because I just forgot to write things down. But this was a bike machine year. Oh, and then I switched to real biking when it wasn't fucking cold. Then I stopped recording data. But yeah, this is my running spreadsheet. When I get into shape, oh, not this year though. Oh, that was the year I ran the marathon. This was ran the marathon. COVID. Ran the marathon with COVID, and then started exercising after that. But when I'm actually in shape, oh, why is this bad past me? I should have deleted all of those. But when I'm in shape, I'm running like 30 to 40 miles a week. And when I'm in shape for biking, maybe I never recorded the biking. This one? Yeah, when I'm in shape for biking, I'm doing like 200 miles a week. But yeah, I haven't been biking that much in a while. In 6 years, I guess. But anyway, I'm gonna try and get back into marathon shape and try and run a marathon. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, Gus Round, hello, how you doing? Also, Rollers, good to see you again. But yeah, starting out slow because I haven't run in like 6 months, so I'm gonna not push it. And it's also fucking cold outside, and running while it's cold sucks. So I'm gonna start with my nice little easy 2 and 3 mile runs, and ramp up from there. But anyway, feels good. I'm gonna continue climbing too. My goal is to climb 3 times a week, but I don't know that that's gonna happen. Mostly because I'm so fucking busy. I could just oh, why isn't this not showing? Anyway, there we get the eggs. Yeah. I'm almost too busy to go climb 3 times a week. But at the very least I want to do 2 times a week. Probably Sunday, Tuesday, or something like that. Anyway, I'm doing well. A little stressed. I have a presentation on Monday in front of all of leadership, my quarterly planning presentation, which I slapped together the presentation in like an hour and a half this morning before the first dry run with my org. But I don't know. I'm always a little stressed about it. But the 3 or 4 that I've done so far have all gone well, so I'm sure it's not a big deal. I'm sure it won't be a problem. I'm sure I'm making a mountain out of molehill. But yeah. Graham Sideband says, what's the difference between pip install package and pip install package bracket? I assume that's a question mark and not a plus. The latter invokes extras, which I believe I have a video about. Fucking, what is it called? It might be spelled out like optional dependencies. Optional, yeah. So the fun thing about extras is pip doesn't enforce them at all, due to legacy reasons. So if you do pip install, pre-commit doesn't have any extras, but if you do this, pip's just gonna be like, yeah, I got you. I knew what you fucking meant. And just, you know, it used to silently ignore it. At least now it says, warning, pre-commit does not provide the extra, but it just is, it's just like, yeah, I knew what you meant. You know, I'm just gonna keep going there. Fixer Jank, hello, how you doing? But yeah, extras allow you to provide additional packages, additional optional dependencies if you need them. Do I have any packages with extras? I had one. I think I got rid of the extras. Let's see. All repos grep extras require in setup.cfg. Oh yeah, identified has them. Output path dash L. This is yeah, testing dependency. This is for license detection in identify. This is PyTest. Shadow. Gaston says I don't like presentations too. They're about committing mistakes. I think for me it's more just like my team at Sentry is a little bit nebulous in our goals just because things change so often. And it's very difficult for my team to plan. I mean, we kind of know like big things that we have to do, but our day-to-day can really easily get derailed. Like yesterday, 100 tests in one of the suites just mysteriously started failing. We're like, what the fuck? And we knew what team it was because the stack trace screamed their team name. But people were, and you know, the fucking worst thing about being a team that is undoubtedly the owner of CI is that if CI is ever flaky, it's our fault, even if it's not our fault. Like this test being flaky was 100% this specific team's fault. But people are like, Devinfra, why the fuck is CI flaky? And it's like, listen, I can't do anything about it. So there's no way to like shake that perception, which is really annoying. But anyway, I don't know what I was talking about. We're on a tangent. Fix Jake says, rough day. Added a new feature to a project at work. Now removing the old obsolete feature. Original testing was not set up well at all, so all the tests broke. Oh, you're dealing with Python unit test? Oh, that's the worst. I'm so sorry. Wow, it's a clutch. Hello. Good to see you again. How you doing? Yeah. Okay, so the plan for today is I know I need to do at least two things, which is I need to set up an Azure account, which probably involves typing my phone number and credit card info on stream. So I'm not I'm gonna show you my face when I do that, presumably. I know I have to rebase the bot branch and or start it over because I don't know. I don't know if we've changed too much in how the chatbot works. Oh, we have to update the message, the code of conduct. I was about to say the cock, but that's not very code of conduct friendly. But that's the plan for today's stream, is to do all those things. I guess we can start by, no, that's print. I hate, it drives me nuts. So in Chrome, private tab is Control-Shift-N. But in the browser that I use all the time, Firefox is Control-Shift-P. And Control-Shift-P in Chrome is print. What does Control-Shift-N do in Firefox? Control-Shift-N opens the most recently closed window. So, completely incompatible keyboard shortcuts. Drives me nuts. Wazza Clutch says, I listened to a podcast with the Sentry founder recently. It was pretty interesting. With Kramer? Yeah, Kramer is Kramer's an interesting guy. He and I are very alike in a lot of ways, which is cool. But not all the ways are positive. But yeah, Kramer's awesome. I'm a fan, and not just because I work for him. I thought he was cool before I worked for him. But Python, hello. How you doing? Oh my god, why am I Schloren Wurst together already? Okay, anyway, let's sign up for Azure. Get your free account. Yeah, that sounds great. Start free. Cool. Create a new account. Anthony writes code plus. What month is it? 2023. 2023-01. I'm pretty sure. I hope it lets me do this. Because then I can just create an account for the next time we do a sponsor stream. Well, presumably do a sponsor stream next time. Oh, are you kidding me? That's so annoying. Oh, that sucks. Really? Really, Microsoft? Well, apparently I haven't created an account under this yet, so let me open up my password manager. Fucking A. Eduardo, hello, says, hi Anthony, I recently joined a company that uses Python. Any dev tools you recommend? Just use all the shit that I've written. Easy, done, fixed, perfect, done. You can put dots in your email address? Yeah, I'll do that next time it conflicts, I guess. But hang on a sec, I gotta log into my password manager. Avatar hovering on GitHub is broken in Firefox. It just doesn't disappear when you move away. Doesn't surprise me. Okay, anyway, we're muting for a sec. Okay. Okay, I am logged into password manager. Fucking shit. Last time. What account did I use last time? I used the Precament CI account. That's funny. Okay. Microsoft Anthony writes code. Balls. Okay, copy a password. Next. Do that. I am not going to show you my birthday, even though it's not hard to find. Oh my god. Hang on. Okay, I will show you this, but I'm gonna reset my birthday because it's so funny. Are you ready for this? The year selector is a number incrementer. Okay, anyway. Oh, that's so fucked. At least you can type in the box, but oh, that's so good. It's so funny. Hang on a second. This is the period where I have to do personal information, so. Stomfish says, yes, Bitwarden, I know you had good taste. I'm a big fan of Bitwarden. Soulfight, hello, how you doing? Ace, hello though. Metalstar says Enterprise. Better than calendar with all the months? Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna show you this. I'm a little concerned that this this is gonna dox me in some way, but what the fuck is this? Please solve the puzzle so we know you're not a robot. What is this down here? Audio challenge, I see. Charisma, hello. What is this? What is this icon? Pick one square that shows two identical objects. Damn. The 0 of 1 done. Oh, I only had to do 1. Turn? Okay, everything was fine. But it does need me to type more personal information, so we're gonna do that. Nick1 says 10 out of 10 puzzle. Yeah. Azure has the worst support for a cloud provider I've seen. It's been fine for me so far. Then again, I've only used it for very simple things, so. Blurp, 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 blurp. Why does it need my phone number? Okay, well, we'll mute for that because I don't really want you guys texting me. Well, this is fucking annoying. I gotta do verification as well. I am playing with fire right now, chat. I should not be signing up for something on stream, but alas, that is what we're doing. You are staring at my face while I do this thing and drink. Yeah, this is nothing can go wrong here. At least you didn't have to pick low res streetlights 30 times. Oh my god. Have I told you chat about Capture Party? About the questionable thing that we did at Lyft? Shaz, hello. Thank you for the resub at 32 months. Holy shit. Hey, anthonywritescode, please leak creds. Thank. Yeah, we'll see, Shaz. How you doing? Good to see you. Has your job gone through yet? Are you assigned? Has it been clawed back? Are you good? Time and Join's also here. Hello. How you doing? Welcome back to streaming. I mean, I streamed on Monday. But yeah, I'm not streaming. I miss December because December's great because I stream every day. I signed, but I haven't heard anything. Should I be worried? Nah, you're fine. You're fine. I was just fucking you. Okay, Capture Party. So, let's see. This would have been 2018, 2017, something. 2017 or 2018. One of those years. Some legislation passed in New York City or New York State. I can't remember if it was New York City or New York State. I want to say it's New York City, but it could have been the whole state. They basically said that in order to operate as a rideshare company, as a slave labor company, all cars that were being used needed to be registered and pre-approved and inspected and blah 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 and all this fucking shit. Basically because they wanted any taxi-like company to operate as a taxi. And for years and years and years and years, all taxis are, a specific car that's specifically registered and goes through all this, mumbo jumbo paperwork, blah blah blah. So Lyft suddenly needed to purchase a shit ton of cars and then register a shit ton of cars, and then those are the ones that Lyft drivers would use in New York City. And so what Lyft did is they purchased, I think it was 3,000 black Toyota Camrys. Maybe, yeah. It was like 3,000 of an identical car, and then they needed to register them with the state or city of New York. And the website to register them was basically this form where you had to upload the title and registration. You had to pay like $350. And what else did you have to do? You had to do something else. But catch on all of this is this page had a CAPTCHA. So, and we had to register 3,000 of these cars or something like that. And so what happened is one of the engineers at Lyft wrote a Selenium script to automate everything up until the CAPTCHA, because you can't really automate a CAPTCHA. If you can automate a CAPTCHA, then what the fuck's the point of a CAPTCHA? And so we got in a room, and it was probably like it started out with like 50 of us, but by the end there were probably only like 10 or 15 of us. We got in a room, and everyone had a certain set of these documents that we were supposed to upload, and direct deposit details for this bank account to pay money for each of these things. and shitty laptops, like the IT department, IT department's like loaner throwaway laptops from like, you know, MacBooks from 2013 that they hadn't recycled yet for whatever reason. And we all opened up these things and submitted these, you know, 3,000 applications to the state of New York on the day it was due. Well, actually, no, that's the other thing, is there was only a 24-hour period in which this form was enabled. And so we all submitted these forms, and at first we were all submitting them from the same IP. And whenever you trigger a CAPTCHA from the same IP, and this was Google's CAPTCHA, it was reCAPTCHA. reCAPTCHA knows what's up. If you have many CAPTCHA results from the same IP, they start making the challenges harder and harder. And so at the beginning, you know, you do one round of this is a stop sign, but towards the end you'd get 6 or 7 rounds of, you know, this is a stop sign, and like identify the crosswalks. And man, by the end, if I saw another fucking crosswalk, I just wanted to shoot myself. But eventually we decided to pay for VPNs, and then we were all running different VPNs, and Google kept banning various VPNs, and we would like buy another VPN provider, and like it must have taken us like 13 hours of filling out CAPTCHAs. Yeah, it went into the next day. We started when the form opened. We finished with like 8 hours to spare, but like, holy shit. And the whole time I'm thinking, this has to be fraud. 100% this is fraud. But I don't know. I talked to someone at Uber and they were doing the same thing. So it was just wild. But that was how we, you know, solved thousands of CAPTCHAs and spent like, and we must have spent like close to like $2 million amongst all of us in a night, so that Lyft could operate in New York. But anyway, that's CAPTCHA Party. And in retrospect, I don't think I should have done what I did, but you know what? At the time, it was fun, so fuck it, whatever. Metalstorm says, we have had at least one Sev1/2 incident ticket open with them for the last year and a half. DNS is constantly broken. Service bus is constantly broken. I find a bug with something every other week. Oh, you're talking about Azure? We now scheduled DevOps tasks to restart a load of our service bus, triggered Azure functions. 5% or so messages don't get picked up by that function. Huh, interesting. Time and George says, is Lyft a client of yours? I used to work at Lyft. So I worked at Lyft from 2017 until 2020, when Lyft laid off 19% of employees. Including me. Which was a blessing and a curse, because like, I don't know, I was probably nearing my end there. And getting severance was a great opportunity for me to spend some time, and you know, I built pre-commit CI during that period. So pre-commit CI wouldn't exist, and yeah. So in a way, like I'm very glad I got laid off. I mean, I would have I would have a big pile of money if I didn't get laid off, but at the same time, I built some really cool shit because of it. So, you know, trade-offs, I guess. Everything's always trade-offs. Python Vlog says, hello, anthonywritescode. What is the cleanest way to add a new random value into a list of random values? Can it be reliably done without a while loop? Is it not just list.insert random.random? Like, you're gonna have to be more specific about what you're trying to do. What was the story about? This was this is a story about how I have solved hundreds and hundreds of shitty Google CAPTCHAs. But yeah, last time we had an email chain with Microsoft support, there was 43 replies. Shaz says, Jama question, feel free to ignore. How do you feel about these severance packages? Google's is like 4 months or something. So some of them are much better than others. Like when Stripe did their layoffs recently, their severance package was pretty sweet. I mean, I had already quit, so it wasn't relevant to me, and only some of my friends got it. Some of my friends were so glad to get laid off from Stripe. Because like my friend said, Stripe is a smart person sweatshop. They will pay you a shit ton of money to hold your nose and do terrible things. Which, I mean, a lot of companies are like that, but you know, and you're always working with a gun to your head. But severance packages. So a lot of companies don't have to give severance packages, depending on the state, depending on the country, and depending on local legislation. But most cases, they don't have to give severance packages. So honestly, anything you get from a severance package is great. Google's is 4 months. It's pretty nice. Lyft's was, I think it was 3. It was till July, and it was in March, April, May, June. I guess Lyft's was also 4 months. Some of them do stock vesting too, which is really nice. Like Stripes was like accelerated vesting for stock plus, I want to say it was 6 months as well, but like, but yeah, severance is nice. I mean, for yeah, layoffs impact people differently. So like if you live in the US and you're a citizen, or you have your green card, or like you are not on a visa, layoffs are like a good opportunity. They give you a chunk of capital, they give you time to relax, they give you time to find a new job. With severance, if you're in the country on a visa, though, layoffs are fucking picnic panic time. They're basically like, you have no time. Good luck, have fun. Hope you don't get deported. Hope you can find a job in 60 days or something like that. Yeah, having 60 days to find a job, is fucking terrifying. And as much as like the US is kind of like a fucked up country, I'm very glad that I'm not here on a visa, and I don't have to worry about that stress. The server says, is Sentry doing fine, or are there also layoffs such higher freezes like in most parts of tech? I don't think Sentry is big enough to do layoffs. And I haven't really been paying attention to the hiring pipeline, because I mean, I could always use more people on my team, but for now we have enough people. Although I think we are still doing recruitment activities, because the recruiter that works for my team asked me at the beginning of the quarter, like, hey, we're planning for the new year. We have all these initiatives that we talked about at the manager offsite. And I was like, haha, I didn't go to the manager offsite. I don't know what the fuck you're talking about. And he's like, oh, I guess I'll talk to Dan instead. But presumably Sentry is still doing some amount of hiring, because they asked me about it. But I don't know. I'm only involved with that when I'm looking for people on my team, so I don't really know. But, yeah. Clockwork Giacomo says, random Python system question. I'm currently piping some API responses into a database using a thread pool executor and generators. Would async IO be a worthwhile migration? Thread pool executor generators. Depends what you're trying to do. Honestly, you're not gonna do much better than your operating system's thread scheduler. I would only migrate it if you think it's a bottleneck. But threads and IO is gonna do just about as well as async IO and IO. It might do a little bit better, because in theory, the whole theory of async IO. The whole theory of async IO is a bet that your program can do better than the operating system's thread scheduler. That is the entire point of async IO. And to be honest, I mean, yeah, you win that bet most of the time, but it's not worth it. It's not worth it if you already have something that works with threads. Unless you're doing lots and lots of smaller context switching IO things, but like, it almost never matters. But profile it. Profile it, make sure it's worth it, then do it. But otherwise, don't. Makachio, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hope you're doing well. The fancy await keyword is also tempting me. Yeah, the fun part about async IO is a lot of the AIO APIs are just threads in a trench coat. So if you think that you're getting away from having to debug threading issues, now you have to debug threading issues, but behind a whole bunch of magic smoke and mirrors that is async IO. Do the pen thing? Sure. There you go. Welcome, Ginger. How you doing? Ginger. We have one ground rule. If you show up tomorrow, you can't be horny. God promised me. Tomorrow. If you're gonna be here tomorrow, you gotta keep it together. Cause tomorrow's a sponsored stream. Okay, hang on. I'm gonna type in my address, so I'm gonna mute myself. Give me 1 sec. Luca the Dawn, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Ginger says, okay, no, probably. Literally, you come here to get a pen spin and you peace out. It's so funny. Oh my god. Oh, fuck. Okay, I gotta type in a credit card. Give me a sec. You ever think it's kind of dangerous to have your credit card number memorized? I know it's a little bit dangerous because sometimes I'm like a little bit inebriated or you're not eligible for an Azure free account. What the fuck? Why the fuck not? Probably because I've already registered using this credit card before. Well, that's annoying. I wish Microsoft would just provide me with an account. Then I don't have to jump through all these hoops. I understand Microsoft may contact me about my free account, but it literally told me that I can't have a free account. No, I don't want support. I don't want to pay for this. Literally. Plus free one. They don't let you put pluses in your email address, Metal Store. Why can't I have a free account? This is literally for a sponsored stream. Liz. Yeah, I know. Cloud Fighters is so great, yeah. I mean, Amazon lets me make as many fucking email addresses as I want. Okay. In theory, I have an Azure account. So that's one part one of what I need to do. Is set this up. I gotta be careful with wiggling the windows. Do you guys know this thing about Windows? If you wiggle the window, oh, I must have disabled it. Okay. On Windows, if you wiggle Windows, it'll minimize everything else. But I must have turned it off because I do this a lot because I think it's funny. Maybe it's just a private window. Oh. I could have sworn maybe that's not a thing anymore. Huh. Anyway, there's a Windows feature that does that. Okay, we have this. That's fine. We'll poke at this a little bit later. I also want to verify that I can git clone in the Microsoft console thing because I don't actually really want to set up the dev tools. I don't have to. Dollar Devco says wiggly wiggly. Hello, hello. How you doing? Let's go back to VMs and data centers. Oh, I do not miss. So Yelp had their own personal data centers, and my god, they were a fucking pain in the ass. Shit was always broken. It was so nice when we moved to Amazon. Man, speaking of moving to Amazon, fucking Google Cloud. Fucking Google Cloud. Oh my god, this is my most recent, like, Google is a fucking stupid piece of shit. Google Cloud changelog. So we have like a very simple thing for PyPI at Sentry, which just uses gcloud CP. The most common operation, probably the most common tool and the most common operation that ever gets used with Google Cloud is gsutil CP. And they fucking broke it. They fucking broke the permissions on this for some goddamn reason. Kim says, sucks to move Windows between monitors when they stick to the edge. Oh, yeah. How you doing, Gims? Hello. Big Jake says, Google has ran out. I need to import a thing in a unit test, but that import needs to be patched. I import since I have to patch the individual tester to... Oh my god, yeah. Shaz says I gotta do GraphQL. Oh, you poor soul. I like how you only used ABC down. But yeah, have a good one. Thank you for stopping by. Dances with Dirt. Hello. Good evening, fellow nerds. As Dances with Dirt. Hello. Yeah, but anyway, Google decided to change how cloud storage permissions work, and the only way to add storage.buckets.git is to add an IAM role called storage legacy. But there's no non-legacy role that gives you this permission. So what the fuck? Like, deprecation, you're doing it wrong. But you know, such as Google, they fucking hate you, and they're mad that you use their product anyway. So, way things go. Test just checks an exception, but like the test hasn't even ran yet. I can't patch the import. Oh no. Oh, module side effects are the worst. Oh, I'm so sorry. They're just mad nobody liked Google Plus. See, the funny thing about Google Cloud is like only like a teeny tiny fraction of percentage of Google actual infrastructure uses Google Cloud. They don't trust their own product to be a critical part of their infrastructure. Which should just tell you whether you should be using Google Cloud. I don't know why Sentry must be paid like some stupid, or must have like some really great deal on gcloud, because it's awful. I don't even use anything Google specialized either. I secretly want to like, I have no power in this. I secretly want us to like move to AWS or literally anything else. Fucking Azure would be better than gcloud. Are they using Azure? No. They're using their homegrown stuff. Cyber Benny Lolo says, I like G+, if you're talking about the social network. I never used. I mean, I signed up for it and I was like, oh, this is cool. I thought it was really weird that like the most popular account on Google Plus was MySpace Tom. like he like leaned into Google Plus so much. But yeah, anyway. I have a friend who works for WP Engine and they pay like millions per month. Millions per month? Jesus Christ. Tom did it right. Dude. I hope Tom's like not like a crazy man, because yeah, he got his bag from MySpace and then he's just fucked off essentially for the rest of his life. Like, he's got it made. I don't know. He has fun, I guess. I'm just worried because like there's like a chance that he's a white supremacist or some bullshit. Pandox says, I like my custom iGoogle homepage. Oh my god, I remember iGoogle. I made a custom iGoogle widget back in the day. But yeah. F's in the chat for iGoogle. That shit was fun. WordPress as a service, they have so many customers. Yeah. Dude, WordPress as a service just I ran WordPress for a while. God. I don't understand how a single piece of software can have so many vulnerabilities. It felt like we were patching WordPress like 2 or 3 times a week. And at that point, it's like, man, can we just serve static websites that don't have vulnerabilities? But when you look at it, WordPress is like a giant pile of PHP. So a giant pile of legacy PHP, a giant pile of PHP that's been around since like PHP 3. So yeah, Wolfred, hello, how you doing? Welcome. What is this crying cat that you have? Why do your 2 cats look kind of similar? What's up with that? Everybody says I received my new home server this weekend. It's a I don't know what that means. Is this something that I should know? I'm gonna copy and paste this. You better not make me regret Googling this. Windows 10 IoT Enterprise. What the fuck does that mean? I mean, it looks neat. It's not racked though, is it? Are you really gonna run a server on Windows 10 or are you gonna install Linux on it? Celeron. It's interesting that Intel is still making Celeron processors. What? Why is that there? Oh, not gonna put that. Cool. I mean, for a while, Heroku was Ruby as a service, and now FlyIO is Elixir as a service. I'm gonna make Brickman as a service. Oh wait, yeah. SSR/SSGs plus headless CMS is the way to go. Yeah, fucking service static website. Wikipedia says he is enjoying being retired and uses his money to travel around internationally and pursue his photography hobby. Dude, yeah, living the fucking life, right? Wilfred says, I was crying about something you said, but I forgot what you said now. What? Like crying laughing or crying sad crying? Shit. Oh, you mean your emotes. Okay, I understand. Robin Stockwell, no. Is it Windows 10 dead? I'm still running Windows 10. Game says IoT, Internet of Things. Yeah, right? Somebody says I installed Ubuntu server on it and has a 500 gig M2 SSD. Ooh, nice. I want that kind of money, TVH. Just disappear for a few months. Yeah. Ubuntu catfish me into downloading Docker with Snap. Nope. Don't fucking do that. Hey, at least Podman doesn't have a Snap. Maybe that's actually how I've avoided this. Because what is Docker here? This is a transitional package for system tray docking application. Is the package called Docker CE? Never mind. I don't care. I use Podman. This version is 7 only with Python 3.6? Are you talking about Docker Compose? Right, that Microsoft isn't selling Windows 10 licenses to consumers after January 31st. Wow. Is it called Docker IO? I guess I could have done this. Search Docker. Oh my god. I guess it is called Docker.io. Interesting. Hey, look! Look at this shit! I'm surprised this shows up when you search appcache search Docker. This is a piece of software that my intern at Yelp wrote. Chris is one of the smartest engineers I've ever worked with. I hope one day to work with Chris again. But yeah, he made Demonet. I helped a little bit, but Chris is great. Hate to say it, but I think Snap makes Ubuntu less appealing for me. I went back to Debian. Yeah, I'm fighting Snap. That's why I'm installing Firefox Nightly, because at least Firefox Nightly is still in a PPA and not in Snap. But Docker Engine, yeah, that's the old one. That's the old one. I think this is what it's called now. But I don't use it because I use Podman. Yeah. Okay. So the next thing that I want to do is fuck around with a bot. And has this just been running around in circles in a while? Are eggs still hatching or is it done? It might be done. I think it's been running around in circles. Let's see. Ah, we can do a channel point bet. Is that Ursi? No. If you do Bangbot, you can learn more about it. Okay. Will there be a shiny Pokemon? We gamble your points, chat. Gamble time. Gambling your points on whether there's a shiny Pokemon there. But yeah, this is my chatbot. Yeah, there you go. Let's see this prediction. Oh, we got Wilfred with 1.5k on no. Got some tiny bets on yes. Interesting. Technically, if you were paying attention, you could have seen whether this is a shiny Pokemon or not. Oh, we got 10k on yes. God damn. Who's put... JJMC has put a bunch on yes. JJMC, that's a weird amount. Are you all in? I hope you're not all in. You must have more channel points than that, right? Surely. Okay, well, we'll see how this works out. Wilfred says, why you say that? Why I say what? What are you waiting? You're all in? You put in so many few points. There's no way you're all in with 1.5k. That's so small. You have 300k left? Well, what's the significance of your bet then? You picked like a real weird number. You only... Oh, right. Didn't you go all in and lose? Okay, well, hope your gamble pays off. Good thing the channel points don't actually mean anything, right? We haven't gotten a shiny on stream in a while, have we? Been a bunch of no's in a row. Oh, fuck that one up. Not looking good. Well, it's looking good for Wilfred, I guess. Still one more box to go, though. Ah, you survived this one, Wilfred. You survived this one. I scammed you out of points? How did I scam you out of points? Oh, because you thought it said greater than 1? Yeah, well, I said the right thing out loud. Will there be greater than or equal to 1 shiny Pokemon? No. Complete prediction. Anyway, there you go. Knuckler, hello. The title is prepping for a sponsor stream. I see Pokemon though. Does that mean it's a Nintendo sponsorship? No, it's a Microsoft sponsorship. Oh my goodness. You made a shit ton of points on that and you've spent them on Type Racer. Okay. Let me set the Pokemon up and then we'll do your Type Racer. But how you doing, Knuckler? Good to see you again. Stitches says channel points mean everything to us. Oh no. Oh no. Well, you lost some. Walker Code says, I finally reset after going all the way to losing. There's like is it a Twitter meme? There was a meme where I don't even remember the concept now, but it was basically like texting, like he, but instead of he, it's like but I don't that probably makes no sense. Never mind. I'm gonna shut the fuck up now. Hate what they've done on Twitter recently? Yeah, I mean Twitter is always a cesspool, but it's certainly gotten more sessy and pooly. Eggs. You've taken my pre-workout? Is your workout playing Type Racer? Oh, they have mugs and t-shirts. Alright, chat. Make sure to click join. And we will do our Type Racer. Oh, blurp. Yes, join. Play Type Racer. Go fast. Oh, I see, it's the wolf. You got your ult name, Wolfred. Oh god, it's starting. Oh my god. I'm definitely feeling this 11% beer. I still managed to do triple digits though. Right, the Rebel says, play Type Racer, you mean write a cheat script? I mean, good luck writing a cheat script. It's gonna capture you. I feel like this text is like kind of a pain in the ass to type, but Ims is my 200 words per hour. Isn't something you take to a race? The Dead Panda says so more beer. Yeah, I am out, so I will have to grab another one. We'll do these Type Racers and then I'll grab another beverage. Oh, this is an ellipsis in it. I don't think we've ever seen an ellipsis before. What am I drinking? KBS Maple Mackinac Fudge. Oh fuck. No! Oh, I choked at the end! Ah! I choked! Oh, I was zooming! I was fucking zooming! Oh, well, not really zooming. It was like 1:30. Oh, I choked at the end. Oh, it's so sad. It's so sad. Sounded so familiar. Had to find it. Oh. I couldn't input this ellipsis shit on mobile. Tragedy. The crazy thing was, I was at a party. This must have been, it was a cookie baking party, if that tells you the type of party. This was, I was at Lyft, so it must have been like 2018-ish or 2019-ish. And this girl at the party, she could hit like 95 words per minute on her fucking phone. It was nuts. Ah. No. I was doing so well. Oh, I choked. I choked so bad. Look, I was doing so well, and then I was like, blap, blap, blap. 60 words per minute, yeah. Fucking kill me. Neil Porter says, do you play chess? I do, but I'm not very good at chess. I mostly just play daily games, and I do puzzles. I'm like 2100 in puzzles, and I'm like 800 in daily. But I've only played daily games against my friends, and we're about even. I want to get better at chess, but also I don't know that I have enough time to get better at chess. But how you doing, Neil? Good to see you again. All right, we're gonna do one more. Oh, fuck, this one's got so much punctuation. I can't end on simple 100. Ah. Oh, I choked again. Okay, one away. We'll take it. We'll take it. I'm a little silly, tipsy, whatever. Okay, I'm gonna go grab another beer. Chess is fun until everyone started to min-max by memorizing everything. I mean, that's always been how chess goes. Like, you can. No. Honestly, chess is like memorize an opening, play solid in the middle game, and like get to the end game, and you're 1500. But Rask says, "Hey Anthony, I landed my first dev job, and I'm loving it. I'd like to thank you. Your stream and VOD helped me so much in my journey, as I started by learning Python. Yo, that's awesome, Rask. Congratulations. Yeah, I'm I mean, I don't know that I deserve any credit in it, but I'm proud of you for achieving that. Okay, I'm gonna grab another beer, and I will be right back, and then we'll continue whatever I'm supposed to be doing right now, because we've been streaming for an hour, and I think I haven't really accomplished much. But yes, I'll be right back. I'll see you in a sec. Hello, I'm back. This is gonna have to be the last beer because I'm more than silly, and I have to wake up tomorrow. All right, we're drinking a Bell's Special Double Cream Stout Sweet Stout. Rask says, the work conditions are amazing and I'm truly loving the tech part. It can't eat my soul more than doing sales management. That's true, that's true. It hid when you stood up. Yeah, a little bit. A little bit. That's the nice part about being a lightweight. It's like it doesn't take much. And I don't know. I guess when you drink 11% beer, you can kind of just be one and done. But no, we're two and done because it's fun, right? Cheers, chat. Oh, last beer was way tastier than this one. Oh well, such is life. Okay. The other thing that I want to do is make sure that the bot is ready for tomorrow's stream. So, Microsoft account password reset. Oh. I must have already had a Microsoft account under this email address, and that's why it didn't let me make a new free account. Oh well. Hopefully it doesn't cost too much for literally tomorrow. Big Shake says, I love being lightweight. Means I didn't spend much on drinks. Can't drink till I get my heart fixed, though. Ah. Well, hopefully that happens, because, not for drinking's sake, but, I hope you get better. What was I doing? Oh, bot stuff. Yeah. Okay, so I know I have a long-running branch that's, oh no. Where's my Azure branch? That's not good. I hope it's on the old VM. I'm surprised I didn't push that. Is MyPy to Python what TypeScript is to JavaScript? In a way, yeah, except the syntax that's used by MyPy is part of the actual language. Which I guess is true in JavaScript now too. Because I think they finalized... the type annotations proposal. Stage 1. Details will change in the coming days. Last updated 8 months ago. Pressed X to fucking down on that one. Bad password. I gotta go in and cauterize some stuff. My heart itself is really healthy, just some electrical issues that cause not normal... Oh, arrhythmia. Yeah. My grandfather... Well, my grandmother passed away due to an arrhythmia, but, yeah, I understand that. Oh, please be here. Please. Oh, thank God. What is the RIP branch? Hang on. Oh. Man, chat, do you want to see something real sad and also slightly degenerate? This is what the RIP branch is. This was a secret command. This is a secret command. I don't know why the Kevin is on this one too. Why is Kevin deleted on this one? I must have rebased wrong. But yeah, that's the RIP branch. Alright, get checking out Azure. Yeah, so we never did reproduce this bug. What is the theme that's in this one? We haven't streamed on this VM in a long time. This is apparently the theme that was the last one before we killed this VM. Yeah, ouch. Yeah. M. Ludsey Pumbus says, how to deal with Scrum Masters and their questions about status every day. Dude, if somebody self-identifies as a Scrum Master, I cannot take them seriously. But I don't know. What's the like? There's like the sword meme, but like, I can't remember it. But there's some like Scrum Master sword meme, and I'm a little bit too inebriated to actually answer. Okay, I'm gonna push this up, and we'll work on it in the other VM. Yeah. Did you find it, Metal Storm? Are you that fast? No. Oh, yeah. Yeah, no, that word's not allowed, Metal Storm. Rask says they use rebase where I work. It was quite a learning curve for somebody who only did commits directly to the master branch. Yeah, I have a video about it. So you can be good at the git chainsaw. Alright, time to turn off my computer. Bye, chat. Didn't delete the image. Yeah, well, you know, that's how things work. God, I hate when people do this. I'm pretty sure there's already a thing for this. Pretty sure it already exists. Maybe there isn't. Dude, doc tests are stupid. Whatever. Get fucked. Okay, blah 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 blah. What was I doing? Get the fish. Get check out Azure. Oh. But plugin simple to patch.pokemon. Alright, so we have a thing that will post every 30 minutes the Microsoft Code of Conduct. Grimbuck says, hey streamer, my code broken. How fix? Well, the first step is to take computer, open window, and then throw computer. This fixes all code, because then it cannot run. The only working code is code that can never run. Thank you. Yes, says you have a video about everything. I watched at least 100 of them. Always good content. I'm glad you enjoy it. Yeah, we're over 500 videos now, which is crazy. Thanks, Jake says, make sure you're at least getting stuff done, but like it does not matter what you say in stand-up as long as it sounds like you're doing stuff. Yeah. Metal Storm. There's a reason it's banned. I simulate the reusing workflow where GitLab just rebases it for them, and whenever there's conflicts, I just tell them to merge master, resolve conflicts, and push again. Yeah, that makes sense. And then just have the actual integration part do the rebasing, which is fine. Question, how to afford new computer? Shit, I can't help you with that one. Just unlock the infinite money cheat. That's the only way to get that one. Waiting for you to run out of ideas. Well, let me show you my current problem. Which is, I've got no videos for next week. I gotta finish my Advent of Code solutions. I think I'm only up to like day. Oh, is this a stream VOD that I forgot to upload? It is. I'm up to day 12. Oh fuck. I'm halfway through my. These are such a slog. I'm gonna put in so much effort for this, and I don't think anyone's gonna watch the video. What is this? Oh, I know what that is. What is this? Oh, it's more of that. Why does it have a Pokemon thumbnail? Oh, right, because the Pokemon show up in the middle. Yeah. Yeah, anyway, currently I don't have any videos recorded, so I gotta do Monday stuff. And honestly, nothing in my ideas list seems kind of interesting. I have a short that I could edit, but I don't want to edit. Editing takes time. So I could at least get one video out of that. This is like a fucking half-hour video. This one, people are just gonna flame me. I gotta do these ones. This one I have to do the mocking video first. I don't think I'm gonna do a video on this. People are gonna get mad. People are gonna get mad. I can do this. I can do that. But I don't have a good enough example. I don't know why this is video. I think somebody asked me to do this. This one's easy, but I feel like I already did this. Maybe I didn't do this. Spoilers, it's DNS. These are gonna be a lot of work. This is a new series I could start. Which is just me shitting on code that I've seen in production. I have a lot of ideas for these, at least. I've kind of done this already. Crime might be easy. I don't know what I would talk about here. ABC, other than being like, don't use it, it's a waste of time. Use typing instead. Explaining the idea of a memory. Like, that one's easy, but at the same time, it's like, shmeep shmop. This one's cool, but there's a lot of setup for this. This one, the package that I used to make this work doesn't work anymore. I don't know that I'll do this. This would be a great video, but I don't know if anyone would care. Oh, I need to redo a video. Yeah. Super. I don't even really understand the super. Don't use inheritance, chat. That's the answer. Yeah, I don't know that'll happen. This is fucked in Python. This is a good thing to talk about. These are the most likely easy ones. Well, they're not easy, but like, maybe I'll do them. Scripters, honestly, I should just do this video. I don't know that I have anything unique to add, but people keep asking for it, so I should just fucking do it at this point. Blah, blah, blah. Anyway, I need to do videos. No code in init.py is great. So much bad shit happens in those files. Yeah. I rebase when you can merge. I hate checking a branch merge and having commits that have nothing to do with the branch I'm so I rebase my feature branches, but then I merge when I integrate. That way, I get there in the end. But yeah. Griffinbug says, I know you already decided to do it one video. The one video per AOC day would probably do better numbers overall. See, the thing is, I think it would get more view count, but I think the algorithm would deter viewing the rest of my channel, which is what happened last year when I did them as they came out. Is I had a higher overall count, but my normal videos did worse. And at the end, my AOC videos did really poorly. Like only 100 people watched last day. She says, I'm watching a TikTok. You look like Quentin Tarantino. I don't look like Quentin Tarantino. Beyond, I look like a white boy, and Quentin Tarantino looks like a white boy. I don't look like this guy at all. This guy's got forehead for days. I mean, I could have forehead for days. We'll just there. I don't look like Quentin Tarantino. I mean, he has my crooked smile. That's about it. His nose is much bigger than mine, although I got a pretty big nose, but not quite a Quentin Tarantino nose. Also, he had brown eyes. So, sure. I think my similarity stops it. Not too much, but yeah. Video idea. Every environment variable that starts with Python. Oh my god. Don't use this one, don't use this one, don't use this one. That'll be the whole video, right? I was thinking of doing a video. Where it's just every single one of my spicy takes, and then I disable comments for the video. Where I just start and it's like, Nix is shit. GraphQL fucking sucks. Python is not a very good programming language. All programming languages suck. Conda fucking sucks. Like, could you imagine a video where I just like shit on all the things that I hate? But if I wanted to maximize engagement, I could do one video for everything that I hate. The crazy thing is, if you look at my YouTube stats and you look at like recent top views, oh, it's not today because this video did crazy things. But usually, if you look at videos when I haven't published a video in a while, it'll be whatever video I've published most recently. Then it'll be, oh what? Then it'll be why I don't use poetry and some other one that I shit on. Some other thing that I'm like, I'm never gonna use this. But those are usually my top two, not the most recent viewed videos. But what is Pickle OMG? Yeah, that one's one. Nobody's ever heard of that guy before. Which guy? Quentin Tarantino? Yeah. Mailstorms, I have a good topic. How to build and host a wheel when NumPy doesn't build for them. Build them for 310. Really? NumPy hasn't built 310? Yeah, no, they have. They 100% have. You guys look alike. It's uncanny. Chat. All right, we're gonna vote. Cause I don't think this is true. Do I look like Quentin? Oh wait, this is a prediction. That's not what I want. I want poll. Do I look like Quentin Taryn blah blah blah? Oh my god. I smashed the keyboard too much. Alright. Here, we'll even put up his face for reference. Alright, chat. You predict. Oh, Ginger Tea's gone. We're doing this poll for no reason. Got 1 yes and 7 no. Okay, I think I'm right here. Yeah, there's a I know what you're talking about, Rask. All programming languages kind of suck. Yeah, because Jake says I'd watch it. Django sucks. Oh man, dude. Yeah, same. Fucking Django sucks. Storm Salmon says it would be a 7-hour video. If I explained everything, yeah, it would. But remember to wait 15 seconds for saying shit. Yes, the literal word shit. Yes, it's true. It's true. Come on, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Most software just garbage. It's true. It's true. Name it. Celebrate our Python differences and just diss everything. Yeah. Have you watched the Guido interview by Lex Friedman? I don't think so. Probably not. No, you don't. The disrespect. Yeah. Have another beer. I haven't finished this one yet. Anybody who votes yes in this poll should lose their right to vote in real elections. I don't look anything like this guy. Who's the Spider-Man guy that everyone says I look like? That one I can actually kind of see. Not Tom Holland. Tolby Maguire, this guy, but not. Yeah, this one. I can kind of see that one. Like if I slicked my hair back and I had a beard, I could see it. That's the one. That's the one that I think. Or what's the arrow shooty guy in Marvel? This guy. This one I can kind of see too, but he has way more chin than I do. But people tell me I look like this guy too. Anyway, I don't look anything like Quentin Tarantino. It looks like he only eats soft foods. Fuck. Toby Maguire, yeah. You don't look like him either? Fine. Have you tried alcohol-free beer? I have, but why? You gotta do the finger guns dance? I don't know that I understand that. Is that a no when Anthony explains Kafka? I don't think that I know enough about Kafka to actually You literally send me another fucking... Sent me another goddamn email. Anyway, send me another goddamn email. I don't know, fuck. Whatever. You've sent too many emails to my inbox. Okay, anyway. Jeremy Renner? Yeah. There's no English US option in the Twitch language settings, only British. Interesting. Because beer tastes good, but some people don't want to drink alcohol. Yes, actually, if you look at non-alcoholic beer sales over time, I think this number has only increased, mostly because the younger generations... Yeah. Sales of non-alcoholic beer have climbed by 90% over the last decade, which is fucking wild. I mean, it's not fucking wild. It makes sense. Especially the younger generation is realizing that, like, alcohol's a drug, and you know, the stigmas around addiction and blah 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 blah, and I don't know, words, but no, it makes sense. Gusron says, do you work with any broker? What do you mean? The finger gun dances from Spider-Man movie. Okay. Oh, more eggs. Griffinborg says, I think you misunderstand my issue. I'm stupid and I want you to do my work for me. Dude. I hate how squarely and aggressively you hit that nail on the head. That's 100% like 90% of open source. Oh my god, did they reply again? They did. They fucking replied again. They found a duplicate. Did they find a duplicate? They found a duplicate. That'd be a dupe. I guess search the issue tracker first. Next time. Fucking A. Phoenix says, is CPython localized for UK English such that you need in.py to make folders into bloody parcels? It almost makes you want to make a thing. How would I do that? I guess import lib is pure lib. It almost makes me want to make a import hook that makes that a real thing. I'm sure someone has done it, right? Unfortunately, this is probably just going to be people making jokes about it, right? This is somebody who made a typo. Another typo. Another typo. This is so funny. How many of these are typos? I really expected a whole bunch of jokes here. Okay, this is what I expected. Why is there a photo of Big Bird here? What the fuck? Why? Okay, it seems nobody has made this joke yet. Or nobody has made this functionally a joke yet. See, the problem with this is I'm so tempted to make this, but last time I made a joke, it was extremely functional, feature f strings, and now gets 1 million downloads a month? Yeah. 500,000 downloads a month. 9 million downloads total. 500,000 downloads a month for a goddamn joke. Wait, it's not even the latest version? Oh no, 1.star. Okay, it is the latest version. So I'm hesitant to make another joke package because then people will take it seriously. Grimbook says, I'm a boozer, but NA beer is nice. Just like how a lot of fermented stuff is good to cook with. The beer doesn't taste good either. Why would you do? Some of it tastes good, I think. Cuntme says, I don't think that statement applies in my country. Young people drink like never. Are you in the UK? Beer tastes great. Please do not do this. There's already plenty of evil in the world. Dance Madrid's heading out. Well, thank you for stopping by. Good to see you. Oh, Sourcecraft. Oh, okay. I see. Belgium. Fair. You guys have good beer, too. You guys have good beer. Anyway. Right. We were rebasing this. Okay. What is my new email or my new Microsoft sponsor link? This is such a stupid link. Oh shit, that didn't work. Oh god, where did it go? Okay, so but plugins Azure. I think I'm gonna change. Oh, we probably need to we probably need to revert to the default theme. I'm gonna change it to every 20 minutes, although I don't even know if this code works. They make sure that their code of conduct link hasn't changed. They didn't oh. Extra single quote on the end. What? Yeah, presumably it's there. They can find the right thing. They haven't actually told me anything about updated code of conduct, but we'll assume that this is a thing. Yeah, they told me I can't say dick sword, so and we've commented out the level up. This is such a funny diff. For those of you that are curious why we can't do level up. I hope this link still works. Yeah. This is my favorite like Pokemon Go era GIF. I don't understand the joke. Backporting f-string seems like a great idea. It's a terrible hack that I entirely did is just something that I thought it would be funny. Can we now say Dixward? Dixward. Yeah. Belgish? I don't know why I think that's funny. Yeah, and we can't have this command either. This is such a stupid clip. Rebase this dick! Yeah, we gotta adjust the water command. Are there any other commands that we need to update? Because we haven't done this in a while. Wow, this isn't true anymore. Maybe this shouldn't be enabled. Hey, Microsoft sponsored stream. I think Copilot is shit. Wow, this is still accurate. I am surprised that I've stuck to this. I like that speechless is a command. I found source words for tweet. What? Well, this is Ned's tweet, so surely it's fine. Yes. Yeah. This is back when Ned was trying to be an influencer. Has he given up on this yet? Yeah. His last tweet's in December. There was a period where Ned was like posting daily things about stuff. Well, those look cool. When did Ned give up on his influency stuff? I think this is the last of his influency stuff in November. Uh-oh. Number. I'm not gonna click on it. Grimborg says, gotta run from the cops. They found my blog post about Microsoft. Be back tomorrow for the Microsoft stream. Sounds good. Sounds good. The keyword class in British should be Clars. Right? Oh, I like how I added Reamd. Reamd as an alias. That's great. That's very on brand. Okay, in theory, this is good. Oops. My house is a very annoying thing. I think I've talked about this before. I have 2 zones of heating in my house, and if only one of the zones is heating, it whistles. So currently only one of the zones is going, so there's a in the background. And the dude that I paid to come out and say how to fix this was like shmeep shmop. I don't know. So I'm gonna climb up my attic and see if I can figure it out. Yeah. Okay, I think this is probably fine. The last thing that I wanted to validate is starting the Azure console thing and see if I can SSH into it. Because bash. You have no storage mounted. Yeah, forget. Hello? Hello? Excuse me? Hello? Jesus Christ, this takes forever. Well, I'm glad I'm pre-jacking this so that it's not a big deal tomorrow. That says, at work we use commitlint, and I probably said, oh, it's like Brickmat. Thanks for stream, I'm not looking like a pure noob. Nice, nice. Technically, you can use commitlint with Brickmat. It probably works better that way, to be honest. But I kind of hate commitlint because, honestly, I just hate commit message validator things. I feel like they're all garbage. Feel like they're all garbage. SSH into Azure Cloud Shell. Is that a thing I can do? Maybe it's not. How am I gonna do this? Because I don't want to set up the Azure command line tools. Wow, they have virtualenv on this? I'm surprised. And it's reasonably new too. If I remember correctly, we could install Babby and get it running here. I forget if this worked or not. How do I make this full screen? This button? Oh god. No module name curses. Why? I've never heard of this. Dude, what the fuck is Marin or Linux? I've never heard of this before. Oh, it's Microsoft made it up. And their Python is poorly compiled. It has LSB release but not D package? Is it Arch based? What is this? What is this based on? RPM? Yum, but not DNF. We trust that you have received the usual lecture from the local system administrator. It usually boils down to these three things. Respect the privacy of others. Think before you type. With great power comes great responsibility. What is the pseudo password? I don't fucking know. Password. Christ, well. Hey, Lame, hello. How you doing? Commit message, validator. Yeah, I actually fixed the config. His commitment wasn't letting me commit. Well, that's annoying. How did I do this last time? Because I'm pretty sure I got Babby working in this little thing. It's so painful that they fucked up the compile of Python 3. Not that curses would work in whatever the fucking web thing that they've done. This is gonna get reviewed in the pseudolog? Yeah. Yeah, interesting. We might have to set up the Azure command line tools. Oh, I hate that. Yeah, I kind of wanted to use Cloud Shell so I don't have to deal with all the authorization bullshit, but seems they've made it worse since last time, so we're gonna do it this way. What's the repo name? Azure GitHub app. Oh, I spelled it wrong. Dude, what the fuck? What is going on? Why is it not stopped? Holy shit, what is happening? How many fucking packages is it going to install? My god. What have I done? I noticed that it installed a package that I used to be the owner of. This Antler 4 Python 3 runtime. For a while, my fork was the primary repo on GitHub. This is a like JVM parser library thing. Dude. Dude, this is so many packages. Oh boy. Shame if only they had some resources available that were experienced with Python and possibly compiling Python. Dude, I don't even think core devs are good at compiling Python, so I don't know that's possible either. They use the node approach for library packages? I mean, it's still installing, so clearly not, maybe? I don't know. Pathlib 2, why are they installing that? That's some obsolete shit. Very weird. Very weird. A Gibbon how many? Yeah. Okay, here we have to do this. A web browser has been opened. Okay, well, you look at my face for a sec. Anthony writes cod at Gmail. Oh, I closed my password manager. Fucking A. Okay, I'm logged in now. Microsoft. This one. Le paste. No, I don't want to copy it. Dag is here. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Never save. Okay, we're gonna reset so you can't see what it showed there. Just on front end today, Yarn installed 400 packages. Yeah. Sure you're not deploying an entire Azure by accident? Yeah, one of all of the Azure. Answer says this Rise hasn't been removed yet. I was 100% sure someone had packaged pretty for PyPI, so I installed this BS. Oh, is this a water package? No, it's just a shitty package. Yeah, there's nothing about PyPI to remove shitty packages. Although this is really recently uploaded. Wow. Really? This name was unused until April of last year. That sounds really surprising to me. But alas. Boy. This. same person grumbling. Okay, so in theory, there's no way that's gonna do something useful. Misspelled. AZ account. Show. Yay! Hopefully none of that is personal information. Okay, in theory I can use that. I might have to set up the functions command line. But you know what? Fuck it. I'm good at winging it, so tomorrow we're just gonna wing it. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, we don't need to be prepared. We created a Microsoft account that I'm totally gonna have to pay money for, which paying funny money for a sponsor stream is definitely what I want to do. I think I'm not gonna do any more prep than that. Bot's ready. I guess we should test whether the bot works. Victor Vicky, hello, hello. How you doing? All right, cock. Aha! Does this link work? Okay. The message in chat is a lie, but I'm just testing that the link works. Okay, it works. Cool. Sweet. Yeah. Huh. Oh, do you want to see what I've been working on, chat? Before I decide to go play Pokemon? I've gotten further with my roost via terrible things. So the constant or the standard for deserialization and serialization in Rust is a library called Serde. And for whatever reason it sucks. Well, not for whatever reason. I have a very good reason why it sucks. Or at least why I am unable to use it. Which is that if you say something is supposed to be a string and you pass it as an integer, it's like, yeah, no, I got you. I knew what you meant. And just mindlessly converts this integer into a string. Don't fucking know why, but it does. So I was like, no, that sucks. Fuck that noise. So I have ported config.v, my Python library, that is responsible for the error messages in precommit. So, for instance, if you change this to a number, I need to precommit run all files. Oops. Precommit's gonna be like, in this file, at this position, at this key, at this repository, at this key, error message. Yeah, it has a nice thing there. I have ported that library to Roost. So now if you do cargo run validate config workspace precommit config, and it builds. Oh, look at how similar these things look. Wow. Oh, they're a little bit different. This is extra. But actually I think this is better. But look, it looks very the same. Very similar. This is what I'm working on. But anyway, it's a bunch of macro magic. So yeah, macro magic. I've been learning dirty macro magic. But it works really well. This is also dirty magic, macro magic. But I have configuration parsing, which I think is the most complicated part of precommit. So the rest should just be easy. I don't know, I'm trying to port it to Roost because I think it'll be funny. And by funny, I mean, I don't know what I mean. Annoying that there's no easy way to report stuff on PyPI. You basically have to @ them on Twitter. Yeah, there's an issue tracker, but they don't read it. So, lol. Why are you doing the sponsor stream if you don't want to do it? Do they offer you shiny Pokemon? I didn't say I didn't want to do it. Sponsor is gonna be fun. I actually really enjoy. I have a lot of fun with the sponsor streams because it gets me to use a tech that I'm not necessarily going to use otherwise. And this one in particular, I'm going to be building something that I'm going to continue working on anyway. I don't know that I'm going to continue working on it on Azure, but we're going to be building a GitHub bot. And I've always wanted a GitHub bot that I can write a comment that rebases branches for me. Because currently, a lot of times when I'm reviewing PRs, I'm like, I need to good code change like a ghost. But then I have to whip out the git command line and fuck around with that shit. And I don't know, it's not fun. But anyway, we're gonna be building a GitHub bot. Easy Light, hello, how you doing? Will this replace existing config v using Python 3? No, it's a little bit different. So the existing config v just builds dicks. Essentially just builds and populates dicks. But my Roost config v builds actual objects. So like it parses this structured type. So this, this becomes a type with actual attributes and vectors and builds the actual objects in place instead of dicks. So it's not gonna replace the Python one. WictorWiki says, what's the use case of Azure? I'm not knowledgeable on all servers. It's just a cloud provider. Can you link the Azure video where you made a Twitch bot? Is there a VOD with the whole stream? Let's see. I'm not entirely super remembering of what you're talking about. When we did cognitive services, it wasn't that one. This is the Microsoft video of it. This one's actually really cool. The edit of this that they did is really nice. This is such a cute edit. Why did they turn off comments? Oh my god, it's got so many views. Oh, I'm behind a Bash Bunny stream. That's funny. But yeah, this one was real fun. Wait, what did I do last time? How did I get this working? Wait, see, I got Babby working here. They fucking made it worse since last time. That's so annoying. That's so annoying. They've made the Cloud Shell worse than it was before, because I used to be able to run Babby in it. Shut the fuck up. Where was it? I had Babby running in here. Somewhere in here. But yeah, we had Babby working, so they made it worse somehow. I was being too thirsty in the comments, so they turn them off. Yeah. Don't forget to like, yeah. Like, comment, subscribe. But yeah, there is a VOD for this too. I don't remember if this is the old channel or the new channel, the old channel. Oh, right, the stupid @ sign thing. Search. This one. Yeah, here's the full VOD. So if you want to watch the full VOD, it's there. But you'll notice that I had to, I'm gonna not have any Twitch chat showing on screen. That's part of the thing that they required me to do, so. Yeah. Oh, it's so annoying that they made the cloud console worse. I wonder if I can work around that somehow. I could build curses. I wonder if these ship curses or not. I forget if I did that. Where do these upload to? Oh, I can get these from the other repo. Pipeo. Great spelling. There is a period of time where I thought it was really funny to spell the word spell with 2 E's and 1 L. And so I refused to spell the word spell correctly. I still think it's kind of funny, but... Oh god. I'm just gonna clone this repo. Right, Victor Vicky, like it's a little bit funny, right? Do you guys get the same instance of Cloud Shell so you can build stuff? Yeah, it'll be the same one, I think. At least that's what I remember from last time. Locker. Best wat. Well, it's doing something. Rex says, how much would it cost to host this kind of WebSocket server in Azure for a small touch channel? I think it was essentially free. Up to 5 says Google layoffs. Oh no. Were you affected? Kegsit says, hi, you look like a random celebrity. Were you here for earlier part of the stream where that actually happened? Don't you know that I am celebrity? I'm Anthony Writes fucking code. Kira, hello, how you doing? Welcome. Oh, you just saw the clip. Oh, someone clipped it? I see. Hashtag influencer? Yeah. Yep. But welcome to the stream, Kiru. I have been drinking. Kira, welcome to the stream. You're the best Vato. I don't know what Vato is. I know what Vatu is from Korra. You should just lurk. Ah, you've come out of your cage and you're doing just fine. Welcome. All right, we have a bunch of pythons now. Do these ones have curses? Wat, CP3, 11, bin, python. Please. Yes, these ones have curses. I love when work sometimes pays off. Pip install curses. What am I doing? Pip install Babby. Plus. Let's fucking go! Let's go, baby! Let's go! We have a text editor! Yes! Let's go! Okay. That'll be good enough for tomorrow. My Pokemon bot makes sandwiches too? It does! What are you drinking? Well, I'm currently done consuming. I'm done imbibing, but these are the beers that I've had. This one is... It doesn't say. It doesn't say what percentage, but this one's 11%, so that's why I'm a little bit silly. Where did the pythons come from? I built them for Sentry, but we're not actually using them at Sentry. Kira is my IRL name. Do you eat potato chips? That is a reference. Yeah, the pythons here are from Sentry, from my work, but they're open source and publicly available, so technically it works. But yeah. Oh boy. Yeah, this attitude does not convince me. Yeah, you're not convincing me by saying everything else. I'll supports this, which is a very, very simple straw man. I'm just gonna lock this. I don't give a fuck. I'm not implementing their garbage. D-Dolls! Hello, hello, how you doing? I don't think I've made so many tangents during work as I was today. Hope your Friday was more productive than mine. I wrote a presentation and then didn't really do anything. Kira says the amount of times people on Tinder have asked me if my name is from Death Note. Oh, is that what the potato chip reference is? I didn't look up the clip on YouTube. I don't understand why potato chips are horny, and my headcanon is just gonna be that people fuck potato chips. That's what I'm sticking with. That's where it's gonna be. Yeah. So glad I don't constantly have to deal with this issue stuff. I'd lose my mind. Thanks for keeping up with them. Yeah, you want to see my most recent replies to issues? Let's see, trash. Let's see the issues that I've dealt with today. We're gonna open every single one of them. So this one that we've already been looking at. This other one that we've also already been looking at. This one that was actually legitimate, but they didn't really do their research. This one, which they also didn't do their research. This one where they realized after creating it that it was in the wrong place, but after they created it, so I already got the email for it. This one where they didn't search the issue tracker. This one where they both didn't search the issue tracker and they made a message on the Discord. This one where they could have answered their question by just fucking running the goddamn code. This one where they made the issue on the wrong project. This one where they ignored the message that I said. And that one's actually legitimate. So in one fucking day, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 fucking issues where they were all user error. Open source sucks. Don't get into it. It sucks. People have like no respect. They don't do any of their own work. It drives me nuts. Anyway, but yeah, potato chips are not supposed to be hornier. Then what the fuck is the deal? What is what is the deal with the potato chips? DL says, I attempted to close about 10 sport tickets today, 3 of which needed documentation updates, which I logged for Duck Team, but was able to close a good number of them. Nice. William Pass says, how do you get so involved in an open source project? I wish I didn't. It's too late now. I can't get out. I'm excited to do something like that, but it always looks like everything is already done in terms of library. Well, you could contribute to existing ones, or you could just make something a bit better. I don't know. Preox all though. They didn't do any of their own work. Isn't that the point of grabbing something someone else has already made? Well, that's the thing. They grab something that someone else has already made and then they demand more work. Why doesn't this library reach around for me? Clearly, this library should suck me off. Why doesn't it do that? There's literally no deal. They were just trying to flirt with you in an odd way. You will kill a bunch of people while eating potato chips. Bonk? Bonk? Really? Really? That's probably fair. Okay, fine. Coming next things, do you have any holiday/traveling planned in 2023? I do. I do have some travel planned in 2023. Let's see. I have 2 trips planned. One of them is to PyCon, which I have not gotten flights or hotels for. So I will be at PyCon, assuming there's not some sort of act of God like there was last year. I will also be going to California for a birthday party. I don't know that I can say any more details than that without giving too much away. But a birthday party for an internet friend, which should be fun. I'm very much looking forward to that. What else? I'm going to a concert, although I think that one's local, is it? Yeah, it's local. I'm seeing Blink-182, which should be fun. Juice is coming to my house in June. We're gonna do a 10K. Any other plans for this year? I think that's it so far. It would be fun if you do a PyCon conference one year. What do you mean? Like, if I do a talk? I think I'm probably only gonna do, if I'm gonna do talks, I'm probably just gonna do probably gonna do lightning talks, because doing full talks is a fuck ton of work for not a great reason. Steve Bandito, hello, how you doing? Good to see you again. I need to ask when I get sponsored by PyCon. I asked and they're like, yeah, whatever. And I'm like, but tickets are available. And they're like, we'll figure it out. We usually do it last minute anyway. And I'm like, okay, it's gonna cost a little bit more, but okay. But yeah, it should be fun. I have an extra ticket to the Blink-182 show. I need to find someone to go with me. What a degenerate thing to say. Well, we'll figure that out at some point. But yeah. Neil says, I found out today we'll have another offsite meeting in March sometime. Need to book the flight soon so I can actually get the actual date of the trip. Yeah, we're gonna have this nebulous meeting. We're gonna tell you what it is, but good luck, have fun. Just coming across? Yeah, we're gonna try and do a cooking stream. And we're gonna do a 10K, which should be fun. A talk, a wat like? Yeah, well, I can just do that during lightning talks, which is more my style. D-Dals has given a sub to D-Dals to the Endless River, who gets a fancy new badge at 18 months of sub. Good time to be a resub. D-Dals, thank you for the gift sub. I appreciate it. No, I got no buttons for today. I'm sorry. Also, Gosh says, I saw God with Bad Religion before COVID happened. See, I saw Anne Berlin the week before I got COVID. And the week before I ran a marathon. And then the pandemic happened. Demand the shirt? Okay, well. I'm not that inebriated. But yeah. I don't know. So there's a few things to look forward for this stream. Or this year. The other thing that's not set in stone yet is I am probably going to run the Toronto Marathon. Kegsit has gifted a sub to Kira. Thank you for the gift sub, Kegsit. Appreciate that. I'm probably going to run the Toronto Marathon. Probably. Maybe. Assuming I don't get injured. Yeah. I was originally going to do Chicago, but apparently that one's like super competitive and like you have to like apply in order to be able to run it. So the Toronto one, they were like, meh, if you want to run it, run it. But I was looking for a mostly flat marathon and both those satisfy that. Then I can go to Autos Berlin Donor. Fuck yeah, Steve Mandito. Yes. Dude, I fucking love Autos so much. Oh my god, that place is so good. Let me see if I can get the photo from the last time I went. Let me scroll back a bit though. Dude, this is my uncle's hat. Isn't this fucking gangster? This is such a sick hat. Intel Inside Pentium 2 processor. And he wears this. He wears this. The absolute drip on this man. Oh yeah, look at my new car. Where's my Autos photo? Oh my god. I'm so hungry just thinking about it. God, oh here we go. Oh my god, this food is so good. Oh, Autos is so good. Wamazino says, hey Anthony, would you be okay to work with somebody that can communicate in English, but it's not fluent? Yeah, that happens all the time. Happens all the time. Yep. But oh my god, Autos is so fucking good. Lumi is so good. Fries are so good. Couscous is so good. All of them together, it's just so good. Anthony isn't even fluent in English. Listen. I'm pretty fluent in English. Although I think the English that native English speakers speak is a little bit more degenerate than what you learn as English as a second language. Like when you learn English as a second language, you learn proper English. Whereas like you grow up learning English, you're not very proper. Steve Benito says, I haven't actually ever been to Autos, even though it's like a 20. Go! It's so good! It's so good! Just fucking go. Or maybe don't, because it'll ruin all other food for you. Because like, if you order the halloumi teller with couscous and fries and all 3 sauces, you won't ever want to eat anything else in your life. Everything else will get compared to this. It'll be like the one girl that you dated, and then you're like, oh, everything else compared to them. Except it's food. And so you experience this regret 3 times a day. Anyway. Prove it. Say every word in the dictionary. Every word in the dictionary, bitch! Ha 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 ha. I don't know, I had Chipotle today, it was fantastic. Okay, well, fair. You win. Well, Wazino says, would you like to go to some country in South America like Brazil? I have never thought about going to South America, to be honest. My parents went to Argentina once, and they said it was fun. But I don't know what I would do in South America. Pathetic Pie says, except it's food, so it's worse. I don't know, food's pretty good. But how you doing? Good to see you. Damn, outsmarted again. Fucking got him. But yeah. Honestly, so I went to Toronto recently for the holiday party for Century, and I'm not gonna lie, most of the reason I went there was so that I could go to Autos. Think I had been wrestling with Docker build kit woes. Couldn't be me. But anyway, this seems good. We got Babby set up. Oh, I wonder if I can SSH into this. What is this thing called? Azure Cloud Shell? It's called Cloud Shell and what is it called? Okay. Public IP. You can get a public IP. Look at this. Yeah, sure. We'll copy a curl thing into here. So in theory, we can put this into, where did that go? Damn. I was hoping I could SSH into this. The fuck is this sentence? Thanks for the great cloud tip of the day. Just shared it on social media, you cringe lord. What the fuck is that supposed to be? I'd love to set up an SSH server. SSHD reexec. Maybe. It's in SBIN, right? Alright, we don't have a sudo password. Sudo password for Azure Cloud Shell. Blur, 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 blur. Is there I just clicked on this one. Can you run sudo as not a root user if you use a different port? What was the error that I got? Permission denied to this file? Move the browser up a little bit? Yeah, sorry. Most food reminds me I haven't eaten a decent meal in more than 4 months. What the fuck? Andre has a presence here? Oh yeah, in Toronto, yeah. Toronto, there's a Toronto office. It's great. 5 says that is a Vato. I don't know what that means still. I don't know what that means. It's FAQ set up to get to the right link. What am I gonna do here? Because I kind of want to use this because I don't want to set up all the creds. But I need to be able to clone from Git. I could set up another SSH key. Why does it default to RSA? GitHub set up SSH key. Blurp, 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 blurp. No. Where's the create? Key gen O. We're one step too far. There we go. Blurp, 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 blurp. What? Yes. No passphrase. Fuck it, whatever. So I could add this to my GitHub account, right? Blurb, 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 blurb. Why is this one green, but this one is not green? Does it mean? Bloop. Yo, let's fucking go, baby. Okay, that'll work. We'll do that. Houston last week, perhaps. Yeah. Makes sense. Yeah. Okay. Dude, Hepta, what the fuck does this mean? Why am I searching this now? This term may be used with intimate friends or as a derogatory reference. There's a Snoop Dogg song with the same title. It's Spanish for dude or man. Made popular by the Snoop Dogg song, says Urban Dictionary. The word Mexicans use for homeboy. Mexican slang for man. There's some kind of respect implicit on this word, the guy referred to as vato. Vato. Vato is the guy who means business. Interesting. As Wolfer would say, I'm in the bag? No. Out of the bag? No, I don't remember what it is. Wolford, are you still here? What's the fucking bag phrase? There's no way Wolford's still here. Wolford is one of those viewers that talks a lot when they're here, and then they silently leave, which is fine. I don't blame them. Something to do with the bag. Yeah, we could probably find what it is. Grab Wolfred dot star bag log star. You're in your fucking bag. Anthonk in his bag today. Anthonk is in his bag today. Anthonk, I take it back. You're not in your bag. You're in your Duffy. You seem to be in your happy and productive bag. What bag you in today, Anthonk? What even is going on? I don't know. Man. I wonder, do we have some before they changed their name? Oh, they've changed their name multiple times. Interesting. Stepbrother, are you stuck in your bag? Right. Okay, honestly, I think I've set up enough that I can just fucking wing it tomorrow. So, yeah. Seems like a decent place to stop. I'm gonna go play some Pokemon. So, yeah. That's gonna wrap us up for today. Let me do my little spiel, and then we'll send you off to another channel. My name is Anthony. I upload educational content to my YouTube channel 3 times a week at youtube.com/anthonywritescode. My god, these last 3 videos have gotten a lot of views, even though this one I didn't think people were going to look at at all. It's one of my most viewed in the last bunch. Wild. The algorithm must have taken that one. Did the algorithm take that one? We're going to look at the algorithm for a sec. Because I feel like no one watched the video and I was real sad by the end of the first day. Oh yeah, look at the YouTube stonks. Why did YouTube decide to recommend this video? I will never know. But look at how much lower than my average it is, and then it's just like brr, algorithm go brr. Anyway, 3 times a week YouTube videos. Check those out. If you missed any part of the stream, you can catch up on previous streams on my second channel at youtube.com/anthonywritescode-vods. Yeah, this was the first with the fucked up theme, which I might make a video about now that I'm thinking about it, because I think it would be cool to talk about like how chat can fuck with my theme. Oh, I gotta turn off Vim bits for this. Vim disable? No, it's disable Vim. Because we're gonna just have not Vim for tomorrow. But yeah. Anyway, yeah, second channel if you want to check out my stream VODs. Please subscribe to this so I can get to 1,000 subscribers so that I can monetize my VODs. Because currently I get lots and lots of watch hours, but all of the money goes straight to Google and not to me. But that's the way things go. I normally stream Monday evenings and Saturday noon. Tomorrow is a sponsored stream by Microsoft, so stop by for that. There will be some instructions on things that I would like you to do, even though it's going to add you to a mailing list, but that's how my sponsor becomes successful versus not. So please, tomorrow you could. Yeah, actually, even you can already sign up now by clicking that link. But tomorrow we're going to be doing the sponsor stream. The way they're gauging success is how many people sign up on that link. So if you could, that would help me out. That way I can continue to do sponsored streams and they continue to pay me money. Yeah. But yeah, stop by for that. That'll be noon Eastern tomorrow. Why kind of I do it now? I don't know. To be honest, I would wait until tomorrow. But yeah, it should be fun. I'm looking forward to tomorrow's stream. I'm gonna go in pretty blind. We're gonna do some MS Paint drawings. I've got the account set up. We should be good to go. It should be fun. But yeah, stop by for that. Anything else? Oh, I was supposed to do a stream with Juice, but she was sick yesterday, and I had shit to do, so we didn't do it. But we're probably gonna reschedule that for next week. We're gonna continue to teach Juicebox Hero some Python. So subscribe to her channel, and yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Let's find someone to raid.